making this video or not was like a really hard decision for me. So I would just say that if you can relate to whatever I say in this video or like agree with it, then just feel free to go ahead and share it, and also click on the like button.
Hold up.
Also, a disclaimer before I start talking. I just want to say that this video, or like, I in no way am in support of TikTok or Chinese apps in general. I'm just making this video to share my opinion with you guys, my feelings with you guys. So I'm in no way in support of China or Chinese products or Chinese apps or anything, because being an Indian comes first for me than being a TikToker or like a creator. So yeah. So I know that a lot of people have already made videos about this, have already, talked about this thing, but then I thought that I should also do it, because I know that a lot of you guys who follow me on Instagram and are my subscribers here know me because of TikTok and follow or like me because you like my TikTok videos. So I thought that I should make this video and talk about it and then move on. I'll just talk about what I feel. मुझे कैसा लगा था when I heard that TikTok ban हो गया है, and if you want to listen to what I feel, then just keep on watching. So to start with, when I heard कि TikTok ban हो रहा है, तो ज़्यादा कुछ शौक नहीं लगा था मुझे, बिकॉज आई न्यू कि ऐसा आज नहीं तो कल होने वाला है, लाइक कुछ तो होने वाला है, बिकॉज इन जनरल ऑल्सो बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिटिसिज्म था टिकटॉक के अराउंड. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैड प्रॉब्लम्स विद टिकटॉक, एंड आई न्यू दैट समथिंग इज़ गोना हैपन, बट देन अगेन ऐसे एकदम से हो जाना was not something I was prepared for, or like a lot of TikTokers were prepared for. So yeah, it did not come as a major shock, but दुख बस इस बात का था कि थोड़े लोग थे जो मुझे जानते थे. एक जगह थी जहाँ पे मुझे प्यार मिलता था, जहाँ पे लोगों को मेरा काम पसंद आता था, एंड जहाँ पे it was easy to create content, to post it and to not feel judged, and जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कम competition था as compared to other platforms. So यहाँ बस इस बात का दुख है कि अब किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म पे उतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, उतना कंपटीशन फेस करना पड़ेगा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट टिकटॉक के बिना मेरा काम नहीं चलेगा या कुछ भी, बिकॉज my goal was not to be a TikToker or make only TikTok videos. I love creating content, like I like creating content, I like making videos चाहे वो जैसी भी हो. हाँ, transition was something which I was good at, and एक ये चीज़ है that I cannot make transition videos on like Instagram and something and then post them, because TikTok was really easy to use for transitions, okay, but वैसे normally transition करना is a little difficult. So that is one thing, that I cannot really make transition videos and be popular on Instagram as compared to TikTok. But then again, creating content is what I like, and I have a lot of other platforms to do that, and I will keep doing it. So yeah, you can follow me on YouTube, like subscribe to my channel on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and also like Pinterest and other jagah, and yeah, I will keep creating content. Now next, I just wanna address this एक बार, because I know that a lot of people have already talked about this, and मेरे को personally किसी ने ऐसा नहीं बोला है कि भाई TikTok बंद हो गया अब तुम क्या करोगे या कुछ भी. I have not got any DMs, मैंने किसी से नहीं सुना है ये, but then again I know कि काफ़ी लोगों को ये बोला जा रहा है कि भाई अब तो तुम्हारा धंधा बंद हो गया, अब तो तुम्हारा काम बंद हो गया, ये हो गया वो हो गया. I just wanna say that बहुत आसान होता है लोगों के लिए किसी और को क्रिटिसाइज़ करना, किसी और के बारे में बोलना, किसी और के काम का मजाक उड़ाना, बिकॉज वी ऑल जस्ट डोंट वांट टू डू थिंग्स एंड क्रिटिसाइज अदर्स व्हेन दे डू इट. It's really not cool. I don't know what else to say. बहुत लोगों ने ऑलरेडी ये टॉपिक कवर कर दिया है। ऑनेस्टली आधे जो लोग टिकटॉक पर वीडियोस बनाते थे वो इसलिए नहीं बनाते थे बिकॉज उनको उससे पैसे मिल रहे थे। आई डिड नॉट अर्न एनीथिंग फ्रॉम टिकटॉक, सो टिकटॉक वाज नॉट अ सोर्स ऑफ इनकम और लाइक अर्निंग फॉर मी। आई मेड videos because I like to make videos, because people like my videos. So there were a lot of people who were making videos just because they wanted to show, express themselves. They wanted to, you know, be in a space where they can show their talent and be appreciated for it, and जहाँ पे उनके videos को अच्छी reach मिल जाए. So saying these things that धंधा बंद हो गया, ये हो गया, भाई इससे कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, because जिन लोगों का काम अच्छा था उनका काम अच्छा ही रहेगा, चाहे वो किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे हो, चाहे वो कहीं भी हो, उनको पैसे और जगह से भी आते ही रहेंगे। सो धंधा बंद नहीं हुआ है, ट्रस्ट मी, कुछ किसी का काम नहीं रुक रहा है। इट्स जस्ट दैट कुछ थोड़ा दुख होता है बिकॉज यू डिड अ लॉट ऑफ मेहनत, यू डिड अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क टू गो फ्रॉम हेयर टू देयर। सो ऑब्वियसली सबको बुरा लगेगा, एंड ऊपर से तुम लोगों का ये बोलना दैट भाई अब क्या करोगे, एंड यू नो जस्ट लाफिंग इन देम वोंट मेक इट ईजी फॉर देम। सो जस्ट डोंट बी, ट्राई टू बी गुड पीपल, ट्राई टू बी नाइस पीपल, ट्राई टू lift people up. That's all I can say. So yeah, those were two things that I wanted to talk about, and I know that a lot of people have already talked about it. I know I keep repeating this thing, but I just don't want this video to be another video जिसमें मैं ज्ञान देती रहूँ या फिर वही चीज़ें बोलती रहूँ जो दूसरे ने बोली हैं। बट कुछ चीज़ें हैं जिनको एड्रेस करना इस थोड़ा important, स्पेशली अभी के टाइम पे when the world needs good people, when the world needs kindness, and I don't know, people just fail at doing that. People are failing at being kind, and I want to just urge people to be kind. So I don't know और क्या बचा है बोलने को. I wanted to share what I felt, and initially थोड़ा दुख हुआ था, but I'm fully in support again, and it's not that टिकटॉक के बिना कुछ होगा नहीं मेरा, बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है यार, एक ऐप से कुछ नहीं होता. So to end this video, I would just like to say that TikTok gave me a lot of friends, TikTok gave me a family, TikTok gave me a lot of love, which I'll never forget. And I don't think that अगर मतलब ban हट भी गया and वापस आ भी गया तो I'll join it again, because I don't know, I don't feel like, you know, being a creator there anymore. अभी भी I did not post ज़्यादा because मेरा मन उठ गया था honestly, but then because I had people following me, because I had people requesting me to upload videos, transition videos, tutorials, so I did it. But yeah, honestly I did not feel like making videos there. So yeah, I don't think that I'll join it again if it does come, but it was a place where I got a lot of love from, so I'll always be thankful for that. And if you followed me there, then I hope that you like me as a person as well, and that you'll keep on following me, keep on loving me, keep on supporting me. Comment and tell me what content you wanna see, what videos you wanna see, and have a good day, stay happy, spread kindness, spread love. Bye.